Miss G, and today is Cooking with Miss G. Ham and cheese sliders are on the menu. This is what you'll need to make ham and cheese sliders. King Hawaiian rolls, Swiss cheese, butter, ham, Dijon mustard, and onion powder. Okay, so today we're going to make ham and cheese sliders. This is something that I make a lot during football season. What you do is you take your Hawaiian Swiss rolls, you take a bread knife, and you just cut them in half. These are super easy to make, and they're super good. Just kind of hold them down, make sure you don't cut your fingers, and just kind of work your knife around the middle. Until you get them loose. Okay, so this will come off in one sheet. Just gonna hold them like that and peel the rest off the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna move those. This side over here. As you can see, I'm not perfect at cutting mine, and you won't be either. I forgot to add mayonnaise. Need some mayonnaise. I've already preheated my oven to 350, and we'll be these are really quick to make, and they're usually a pretty good crowd pleaser. Okay, so I have both of these slathered with mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna put ham. I like to use Black Forest ham, but any ham will do. You can even use shredded ham. Whatever you have will work. So you're just going to put a layer of ham. I need one more. Then you're going to put a layer of Swiss cheese. Okay, now you're just going to take the top, flip it on top. I'm melting half a stick of butter, and I'm going to add a squirt of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to add a little onion powder. I like the flavor of onion powder. So I just give it a few shakes. Now I'm just going to mix that all together real good. And then I'm just going to brush the top with my melted butter and Dijon mustard and onion powder mix. I'll make sure I kind of brush the sides a little. Some people put poppy seeds on theirs. I don't usually have poppy seeds, so I don't usually put them on mine. If I had them, I probably would. But I usually do have butter and mustard and onion powder. Okay, I'm gonna pop those in the oven for 30 minutes and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so they're out of the oven and they smell really good, so I'm yummy. Ham and cheese sliders is what's for lunch.